Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making sweet and sour crispy tofu using an air fryer. It's a simple and quick recipe, so let's get started. Take 500 grams of tofu and slice it in any preferred shape and size. To season it, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add any favorite spices of your choice. Coat the tofu in the seasoning from all the sides and rub it gently. Now turn the tofu pieces and season it from the other side as well. I like to do this step on a flatter surface so the tofu doesn't break. If you slice the tofu in smaller pieces, you can do it easily in a big bowl as well. You can either bake or shallow fry the tofu, but I'm going to air fry it as it's so quick and hassle free. Add some oil to the tray, although it's optional. Brush it evenly and then add the tofu pieces to it. Air fry the tofu for 10 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. If you want the tofu to be more crispy, cook up to 15 minutes, but I like it this way so it can absorb the sauce properly. To prepare the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili or paprika powder, followed by 3 tablespoons of water and mix. Make sure there are no lumps. You can add more water if you want. Meanwhile, the tofu is ready. It's crispy and cooked to perfection. Let me give you a sound test on how crispy it is. Now heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add 1 small finely chopped onion. Cook till it's golden brown. Make sure to stir it in between so the onion doesn't burn or stick to the pan. The onion is caramelized and it smells amazing. Then add 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic and cook over low heat for 2 minutes. For me, the garlic is the essence of this recipe as it adds the required flavor to this dish and turns it into the ultimate soul food. Add the sauce to the pan and add some more water if you prefer more gravy and let it cook till the oil starts to separate. You can also add cornstarch slurry to make the gravy more thicker, but it's optional. Let it cook over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes or till you see the oil oozing out like this. Add the spring onion greens or chives, sesame seeds, followed by the cooked tofu and mix well. Make sure that the tofu is completely coated in the sauce. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for easy vegan recipes. Also, you can download this free vegan guide. The link is there in the description section. Season it with some more spring onion greens or chives, sesame seeds and serve. This is such an amazing recipe. The tofu is braised in a sweet, savory, spicy sauce and cooked with caramelized onion and garlic, making it juicy, a little spicy, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's a perfect side dish for rice, noodles or any other Indian bread. See how easy it was? So if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for easy vegan recipes. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe video. Until then, bye. Make sure to check out these easy and delicious vegan recipes.